Sa lugar nga ni, hindi ka pwede magnegosyo. Kaya sigurado, ikaw, yo, lalabas tayo. Pero dapat may mosquito repellent. Mabuti na yung sigurado, di ba? My friend!
Hello, welcome.
I brought you biscuit!
What is biscuit? No soft drink.
No soft drink? I'll bring you juice, no problem. Okay?
Thank you.
Hingi daw sila ng juice. Okay lang, dala natin ng juice. Can you say, magandang gabi, Iloilo?
Magandang gabi, Loloy. Kumusta ka?
Wakanda forever! From Africa, we sailed to China. Wala naman talaga may nangyari sa China. Ayaw ng mga Chinese lumabas kami. But the next country is really where my fun began.
Ha?
Ano?
Ano? Hola!
Mark, yeah.
Mark Semeno, yes.
Yeah, that's you. You got there. Nice. Edmund. Yeah.
Malista yung wala.
Justin.
Yes, sir.
Justin.
Yes.
You're not Justin.
I'm Justin. Hello. All aboard.
Welcome to Kimbla.
So, we're going to the mall. Second man is saying that we're going to the mall. I'm gonna buy something there. This USB-C cable. I hope I can find it. It's so bright.
Pick up from another ship. So welcome aboard, everybody. My name is Rob.
Hello, hello, sir. Thank you for picking us up.
Welcome to Port Kembla. Oh, that's a private party, I think.
Baka hindi talaga tayo para sa Pilipinas. Baka para sa Australiana talaga tayo.
Alright, come inside.
Dumaan muna kami sa Seaman's Club para magpapalit ng aming mga pera.
Alright, 202 and 50 cents.
Thank you, sir.
100, sir.
That's your pen.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Thank
How
you
many
so
getting off
much.
here? Just 9 Filipinos?
I think so.
Yeah.
Sir, where are you gonna pick up?
If I pick you up, it will be right here.
Oh, here.
And that will
Same
be
place.
What time, sir?
8:30.
8:30.
If you don't want to go back then, send me a message on WhatsApp.
Magsasara na yung mall, so mabilisan lang. May kailangan kaming bilhin.
Balikan daw tayo dito ng 8:30.
8:30. Sir, alakanin na yung kain natin. Oh, sige lang, bilhin na kayo dun, sir. Busog pa naman ako, kumain naman ako kanina dun eh.
Mas masaya mo, sorry.
There's light in the darkness. You just gotta give your eyes a chance to adapt. you've lost it. Just give your heart a chance to react.
So they have this. So ginugel ko. Ito yung unang lumabas, yung Chongko Thai food presentation ng lasa. Masarap daw, so ito try natin. Buti na lang merong menu dito, baka mamaya pasubo tayo, mahal pala. Around $25 lang naman. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
I'm a little nervous because I'm alone in a place where it's my first time.
Yeah, that does sound nerve-wracking. I would be nervous too, but it's okay.
Menu nila. Vegetable and tofu. Yeah. Yes. That's it. I ordered a Thai fried rice with vegetables and tofu. Tikman natin. Kasi sabi nila masarap daw. Alright. Babe, datawag si Agi. Babe, dahil lang datawag si Agi. Nagpabilin man to sa kami meet up naman sa baw. Karon kiyang-kiyang sa puli. Karon. Din ka na. Nagkaon ko din sa... Nagkaon ko din sa ano, sa may sikat nila nga Kalanaan. Namit di.
Is it nasa plaza na ka?
Wala akong plaza.
Sino po mo? Ikaw lang siya?
Ako lang isa ay nagpuli. Nasa tanan.
Kanan sila ka turulik eh?
Oo, ako lang nagbilin. Mainom to sa barbla.
Pwede ah.
No worries.
Uga busog-busog ko part. Nagsisisi talaga ako na sumuot ako ng short kasi sobrang lamig. Nag-short ako tapos wala akong dalang jacket. Parang sisipunin na ako. Pupunta ako sa taxi hub para didiretso na ako. Para dumiretso doon sa The Vault Bar. Andun na yung kasama ko naghihintay sa akin. Mag-chill lang saglit tapos uwi kami ng alas 11. Feels so good to go out. Again, after 3 months. Nakakakulong sa barko. So refreshing.
On the road, back in school, see, I was never smart, never on the road. I stayed in my lane and played my part, now I'm ready for it.
Do you like beer or do you like... Maybe beer or... Yeah, I think beer will do. Cocktails or even spirits? What do you think?
So we're at the bar. We're gonna try their local beer here. Thank you so much, the credit card. You save us. Hello mate, we're at the Sembia Wildlife Park in New South Wales, Australia.
Oh, don't you gotta record it all.
Oh yeah, it is recording.
Have
Hi
fun.
ma'am.
Good coffee.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Yeah, you need to. It's very
Tourist.
We also do animal food to feed the kangaroos. We do 3 bags for $5 or they're $2 each.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Nice.
We're all from the Philippines, ma'am.
Oh, like so many times before. This time I fall. This time I fall. This time I fall.
Hello! Hello, my friends! How are you doing, my friends?
This time I fall. This time I fall. I've been trying hard to figure her out for a long time. But I
We had a great experience. Nabalik na kami sa city para mag-mall ulit. Okay na, nakakita na ng kangaroo. No, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.